Hi viewers, how are you? Today our topic is the mobile home tour, mobile home living. As you watching on the screen, different design and different ideas of the dream home, mobile home, uh, compatible and space saving and movable homes. You can new idea you can watch on the screen different ideas of the mobile home living. You are watching the mobile home kitchen idea. You are watching the small mobile home, one of a kind mobile home. You are watching another design of the mobile home. You are watching now another mobile home, beautiful. You are watching another tiny house 2.0. New idea. You are watching chairs. You are watching the kitchen of the mobile home living. You have to see this double wide, the open kitchen. You are watching the perfect starter home, a small compatible. You are watching uh, never seen a mobile home like this. You are watching the open kitchen and dining. You are watching the bathtub, small bath in the mobile home and washing. You are watching another idea, beautiful mobile home. You are watching the new idea. You can plant the flowers. You are watching the living area in the mobile home. You are watching the open area. You are watching the terrace view. You are watching the mobile home idea. uh, you are watching wooden decorated mobile home. You are watching a bathroom in the mobile home. You are watching a kitchen, full furnished kitchen in. You are watching the mobile home entrance, beautiful. You are watching a small compatible mobile home idea. You are watching another idea of mobile home, wood based. You are watching another wood based mobile home, simple. You are watching full finished and beautiful